The HISENSE Hi6 Max Electric Ceramic Cooker is the perfect family cooker. It's got a modern design, handy features and loads of room for those go-to family favourites. So let's take a closer look at what it can do. You get tons of space in here, making it great for families or meal preppers. It's got two cavities, this 50-litre one at the top and then a larger 80-litre one at the bottom. So you can cook your mains in the bottom and your starters and sides at the top. And you get a few metal shelves included which can slot into any of the rivets on the side, so you can adjust the shelf height for different foods and different dish sizes. Both of these cavities are multifunctional too, with the top doubling up as a grill and the bottom having an air fry mode. More on that later. The jet black glass on the front looks great and it blends in with the rest of the cooker to create a minimalist look. Plus the simple dials and the LCD screen at the top are really easy to use. And here's something pretty useful. You can use these to program 2 timers, perfect for if you need to keep track of 2 dishes at once. There are even more clever design features like the easy clean catalytic liners that soak up grease. And we can't forget the air fry mode. Air fryers have never been more popular, but they do take up a lot of space on your counter, and you don't get that with this cooker. Just switch on air fry mode to get some crispy fries or chicken using minimal oil. There are also other functions including pizza mode, which gives you the perfect pizza every time for both thin crust and deep dish pizzas. If you'd like more information about this HISENSE cooker, then visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.